Hello and welcome to this Redstor video where we're going to cover our cloud-to-cloud portal and protect and back up Office 365. So to start off, let's make our way to a browser, and if we navigate to cloud.pro.redstor.com, and at the Welcome to Redstor screen, log in with your Redstor username and password. In this case, you can see I have no active cloud backups at the moment, so I'm going to make my way straight over to the left hand side, click on the Add button. Currently, we have support for Office 365. Very soon we're going to be adding in Google G Suite. So in this case, I'm going to choose Office 365 and then click Next. We've broken Office 365 up into the core main components, OneDrive, SharePoint and Exchange. So let's start with OneDrive first. All I simply need to do now is authenticate with the Office 365 tenant login address. There are some terms and conditions that need to be accepted. This is granting the Redstor cloud-to-cloud service access to your Office 365 account so that we can obviously back up the data, but more importantly, in the event of a restore, we can restore that back to Office 365. So I'm going to go and accept those terms and conditions. Now I can go straight to Edit Accounts. This is where I can either select individual users or departments within my Office 365. Now please note, if you select right at the very top left hand corner, that is then going to select all accounts and all of the Active Directory groups. This is useful because any accounts that get newly created within those departments will automatically get selected for backup. However, it's up to you. You can select individual groups or individual accounts if you wish. So I'm going to click on Save to save that configuration. Over on the left hand side, I can see OneDrive listed under my Office 365 suite. And if I want to adjust the backup schedule, I can go into the backup schedule settings and choose a custom time. Please note that there will automatically be a randomly generated time created for you. But if you want to override that, you can simply specify when you want the backups to take place. Let's now add SharePoint. So if I go back to Add, choose Office 365 and then Next. This time choose SharePoint, click Next again. Authenticate with our Office 365 subscription. So we scroll down to accept the terms and conditions. Choose SharePoint. Come straight across to SharePoint sites. And again, you can either choose individual sites, or in this case, I'm going to choose Select All and hit Save. And again, if you wish, you can create a custom backup schedule. I'm now going to move on to Add Exchange Email. So again, click Add, choose Office 365, then Next. Then we choose Exchange, then Next again. Then straight across to authenticate with my tenancy. Accept the terms and conditions like we did before. Now we can come up to Accounts and choose Edit. And again, select either the users or the departments or all accounts. And then click Save. If we go back to Exchange, you can also see that we have the ability to back up mail, calendar and contacts. And of course we can change the schedule like before. So we're now ready for the backup schedule to either kick in, or if we want, we can click the Backup Now button to kick off a backup immediately. Thanks ever so much for watching.